Okay, here we are. Good afternoon to everybody. And the ones that are already here, welcome. Welcome, welcome. And today, babies, we have to put all our energy and all our disposition so we can finish all the work. Remember that language is not the same as EFL or spelling or reading. Language is a little bit more complicated, okay? So I need you to focus, to concentrate on the class, pay attention to the instructions, follow me, okay? Y vamos poco a poco, chicos, también a adquirir velocidad para hacer los ejercicios más rápido. Simplemente concentrate. No estemos viendo para otros lados ni nos concentremos en otra cosa más que la clase. Ok, vamos a tratar siempre de detenernos ante cualquier pregunta, pero si usted se concentra, no vamos a tener necesidad de detenernos, vamos a poder seguir rápidamente. He tratado de hacer todos los ejercicios en la presentación para que sea lo más fácil posible y que todos podamos entender rápidamente. Pero si en algún momento hay una duda o una pregunta, rápidamente mándeme un mensajito, okay? And we can stop, nos detenemos, and we answer your question. So let's begin our class because we need all the time for the class. So are we ready with our pencil, eraser, and our book? That's all what we need. Pencil, eraser, and our book, okay? Because this language is serious, really serious. Tenemos que salir con Okay, let's see. We are going to unmute you. I'm going to unmute you. Let's be quiet right now so we may begin our class. Let's see. We are already only here. Okay, I think everybody. Okay, excellent. Okay, let's share our screen then. Let's begin. Let's share our screen. Here we are. I want to know if you can see the screen. Can we see the screen, babies? Can we all see the screen? Let's see. No problem with the screen. ¿Cómo estamos? Are we able to see the screen? Let's see over here. Veamos qué dice nuestro chat. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody can see the screen. No problem with the screen, right? So here we are. Okay, today in language, we are going to begin on page 43. Yes, page 43. That is how we can begin, page 43. We are going to begin with capitalization, important words. We are going to read the rules of capitalizations, rules number 1, 2, and 3. Right, so if you have any question at all about the rules, you can write it on the chat. So we are going to read capitalizations rules 1, 2, and 3. So welcome to language class, our first language class. Imagine this is the first one. How exciting. Okay, here we are. Okay, this is great. Can you see the screen, Fabiola? Because I see a face that is not too happy over here, the one that you sent me. Can you see the screen, Fabiola? No problem with the screen. Can you see the presentation, Fabiola? Write a yes, Fabi, if you can see the presentation perfectly well. Yes, Fabiola, can you see the presentation? Yes, yes, yes. Can you hear me, Fabiola? No problem. Okay, excellent, Fabiola. Okay, let's begin. Rule number 1, page 43. It says, capitalize the first word of every sentence and direct quotation. Okay, so every time we have a first word on a sentence, we must capitalize. Then number 2, capitalize the word I. Remember, when I say I jump, I eat, I go, the word I must be in capital letter, not lowercase letter. Number 3, rule number 3, capitalize the days of the week and the months of the year, but not the seasons. So we are going to capitalize Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we are going to capitalize the months of the year, January, March, April, December, November, but we must not capitalize the seasons. Like for example, winter, spring, fall, we don't capitalize them. Only days of the week and months of the year. Okay, let's continue. Here we have our first exercise. So remember, if you have any question, write it down on the chat. We are on page 43. The exercise is our Think B, and it says, draw a line through each incorrect lowercase letter and write the correct capital letter. So we're going to draw a line. Here on my presentation, you are not going to see the line. I'm just going to, with your help, show you the right way that it should be written. Okay, so you are going to draw the line, even though in the presentation it's not here. Aunque en la presentación no parezca esa linita, usted la va a hacer. Okay, that it says draw a line through each incorrect lowercase letter. Vamos a poner una linita en donde está la minúscula incorrecta y vamos a poner la mayúscula or capital letter, okay? So let's see number 1. It says Columbus discovered America on Friday, October 12, 1492. Remember the rules? ¿Se acuerdan las reglas? The rules. So the first word that we have to capitalize, who can help me? First word that we must capitalize. What is the first word that must be in capital letter? Who can help me on the chat? Send the answer. Let me see. Which word is the first one that we must capitalize? Here we have already some answers. Excellent. Very good, Daniela and Mia. Perfect. The first word that we're going to capitalize is Columbus, because the rule says that every time we begin a sentence, it must begin with capital letter. Also, we have another word. Let's see. You're going to give me, we're going to do together number 1, and I will give you number 2. Right? We are on page 43. Think B. Page 43. Think B. Let's see. Next word that we are going to capitalize is, we capitalize Columbus, and we are going to capitalize, very good, Cristiano, we are going to capitalize the day of the week, Friday. So this is how it should be. Columbus, capital letter, discovered America on Friday, October 12, 1492. There it is. Perfect. Very good job. Okay, number 2, I'm going to give you number 2. Winter in Florida is not very cold. Remember that we must begin our sentence with capital letter, okay? So we begin with capital letter. Winter, very good, Cristiano. Number 3, who can tell me the word that we must capitalize in number 3? Let me see, number 3, who can help me with number 3? Let's see, what word must be in capital letters? Very good, Cristiano. Very good, Maura. Excellent work. Very good, Daniela. Excellent. First word with capital letter, Jesus. Very good. Jesus is the first one, because we begin with capital letter. So also we begin in our sentence in size quotation. Remember that I must be in capital letter. And let's see, number 4, very good, Cristiano. We are going to capitalize Walter and also the day of the week, Saturday. Okay, this is how it should look like. So remember, draw a line and do the correction. ¿Ya? Ok, ponemos una linita en las minúsculas y la corregimos cuando debe ser mayúscula. So remember that. Okay. This is how it should look like. These are the corrections. Okay? Finish? Can we move on? Have you finished? Right? Yes, I finished. Yes, yes, yes. So we can move on. Finish, page 43. Very good, Carlos. Okay, Diego, just a couple of more seconds. Yes, says Carlos. Yes, says Mia. Excellent. Very good, Daniela. Okay. Okay, excellent. Now let's move on. Continue. Here we are. It says circle the letter of each group of words which is incorrectly capitalized. That is our think C. Here we have it. Think C, page 43. Think C, page 43. So we are going to circle the letter of each group of words which is incorrectly capitalized. Let's see, number one. Which one is incorrectly capitalized, A or B? And the answer is very good, Adriana. Okay, Adriana says A, Daniela says B, Cristiano, I don't know what Cristiano says 1B, 2B. Mia, A. Okay, let's see. A, very good job. Remember that the seasons, we don't capitalize. Remember our rule, seasons, we don't capitalize. So the first one is A. This is correct, which is incorrectly capitalized. Circle the letter of the group of word which is incorrectly capitalized. Let's see number two. Here we have number two. I will give you number two so we can move on. There we are. Okay, last Thursday. That one is correct. Very good. Oh, but I'm sorry. It shouldn't say incorrectly. It should say correctly. I'm sorry. Here it should says correctly, not incorrectly capitalized. That's why A is autumn, and B is because the day of the week must be with capital letters, and 3 because it is a season, and we must not capitalize seasons. Remember? So here it should say correctly, not incorrectly. Correctly. Okay? Let's see number 4. Which one is correct? A or B? Which one is correct in number 4? Who can help me with number 4? Which one is correct? Yes, Daniela says B, B, Ricardo, B, Mia. Let's see. Number 4, excellent. Well done, my babies. Well done, it's letter B. Number 5, which one is correct? A or B? El que está bueno. Which one is correct? Who can help me? A or B? Okay, Mara says B. Which one is correct in number 5? Diego Lopez says B. ¿Cuál está bueno? Which one is correct? Let's see. Correct is letter A. Very good, Mia. Because we have the day of the week with capital letter and the month with capital letter. Remember that? We must capitalize days of the week and months. But we must not, no, capitalize the season. Autumn, fall, spring, that one we must not capitalize. And the last one, who can help me with the last one? It was I. Which one is correctly capitalized? Okay, Mia, excellent. Adriana, very good. Who else has a sentence? Ari, excellent. Very good, Ari. Very good, Maura. Excellent work. Okay. We all agree that is letter B because I must be in capital letter. Okay. Excellent job. Very good. Okay, did we all finish? Are we ready? Can we move on? Write down yes if we can continue. Did you complete the exercise already? Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Can we move on? Yes, says Daniela. Very good, Daniela. Okay. Yes, says Mia. Well done. Okay, excellent. Then let's move on. Here we go. We have poetry. Okay, poetry. We are moving to, let's see, this new rules. It's rule number 4 and number 5. We are on page 44. This is page 44. We have new capitalization rules, and I want you to pay attention to these new rules. Rule number 4 says, capitalize the first word in every line of poetry. So when you get to a poem, babies, a poem, when you get to a poem, you are going to capitalize the first word or the first letter of the first word of every line. Every line. You will see in the exercise that we are going to do here in language, but you have to circle the first word of every line in a poem. Okay, number 5. we have to capitalize holidays and special days. For example, we have holidays and special days like Christmas. Here we have Christmas, and we capitalize the first word with C, always with capital letter. Also, we have another special day that is Valentine's Day. Okay, we capitalize the V and we capitalize the D. So we must always capitalize the special days and holidays. Okay, rule number 4 and rule number 5. Page 44. Okay, these are our 2 rules. Now we can work on some exercise. Let's see, we begin with the think A. It says, just like the last one, it says, draw a line through each incorrect lowercase letter and write a correct capital letter above it. Okay, number 1, who can help me? The first word that we have to capitalize. Help me here. From number 1, which words do we have to capitalize? I am glad that Valentine's Day comes on Wednesday this year. Which words? Okay, Daniela says that we must capitalize I. Another one, what else do we have to capitalize? Okay, very good, Carlos. He said that we must capitalize I. Another one, do we have more words that we must capitalize over here? I, another one. Very good, Marianne. I, very good, Daniela. She says Valentine's Day. Yes, because it is a holiday. Very good, Adi. Excellent. We have to capitalize Wednesday as well. Let's have a look what is the answer. Here it is. We capitalize I. We capitalize Valentine's Day because it is a holiday, a special day. And we capitalize Wednesday because it is a day of the week. Okay, we are working with our rules that we already seen. Okay, that we already seen. Now this is how number 1 must look like. Okay, so you can do the corrections in number 1. Draw a line and you put the capital letter where it should be. Let's see number 2. Who can help me all the words that we must change in number 2? Which are the ones that we must change in number 2? Okay, Adriana says Tuesday. Okay, that is 1. Very good, Carlos. And the rest of them, very good, Adi. We have to change July. What else? Very good, Adriana. July. What other ones? Adi says the next I. Very good, excellent work. Let's see then the result. The result is this one. Here it is. Tuesday. Very good, Marianne. Excellent, excellent, Adriana. Tuesday is the 4th of July, and I can hardly wait to see the fireworks. Here we have capital T for Tuesday, capital F for 4th of July, because 4th of July is a special day. So we change it. Okay, very good. That is number 2. Okay, I'm going to help you with number 3 so we can move on a little bit faster. Of course, I know that Easter always comes on Sunday, but it doesn't always come in March. Okay, very good. Easter of Sunday. Adi says I. Adriana says Sunday. Adriana, Easter. Okay, very good. Excellent work, babies. Well done. Very good, Fabiola and Mia. Excellent. There it is. Of the beginning of the sentence, we change Easter, Sunday, and March. So there they are. That is number 3. Well done. Los felicito, mis amores. Excellent. Ustedes son rápidos. Yo sabía que con ustedes íbamos a caminar rápido. Excellent job. You're an excellent group. Okay, let's see number 4. Okay, well, let's move on then. Number 4. Here we have page 44, more exercises. We have here more exercises. Let's see, number 4. The pilgrims, very good, Carlos, says da. Adriana, Thanksgiving. Carlos, da. Mia, da. Very good. We are working on number 4 right now. Excellent, los felicito, chicos. Here it is. The, at the beginning of the sentence, pilgrims celebrated the first Thanksgiving, capital T, after the harvest in the fall. Very good job. Excellent. Number 5. Okay, help me with number 5. Let's do this super, super rapido. Fast. Ari, very good. December. Adriana, December. Excellent job. Very good, Adriana. Ay, Daniela, since. Very good. Mia, since. Carlos, since. Well done. Excellent. Here we go. The beginning of the sentence, we use capital letter. Excellent work. Very good, Adriana. Christmas as well, because that's another special holiday. So since capital S, D, December, capital D, I must go shopping to get presents for Christmas, capital C for Christmas. Okay, number 6. Let's see number 6. And I, very good, Diego and Carlos. I with capital I, very good. Let's see number 6. Ask her if the first Monday in September is Labor Day. Excellent, Adriana. We begin with capital A because it's the beginning of the sentence. So A for ask. Monday, capital M, very good. Very good job. September, very good, Carlos, Maura, Mia, Adriana, Carlos, again, September. Very good, Maura. Okay, let's see, here it is. Ask her if the first Monday in September is Labor Day. Labor Day es el Día del Trabajo. So as you can see, it is a special celebration. So that's why it must be with capital letter. So ask at the beginning of the sentence, Monday, day of the week, September, month, and Labor Day is a special day. Okay, excellent. This is how the answers must look like. Okay, finish, sweeties, so we can move on. Saying yes, yes, I finished. Yes, I finished. Let's see how many super fast speed students do I have. Very good, Daniela. She says yes. Excellent. Who else finished? We have here to concentrate and work at a very good pace, a muy buen paso. Very good, Mia, excellent. She says yes. Okay, she or they already finished. I hope the rest of you finish as well. Yes, no? Okay, let's see. Next page. Here we are. Think A and think B. Let's see the last exercises. Very good, Carlos. Autumn must be capitalized. Very good, Adi. Excellent, Columbus. What else? Another word that we must capitalize over here. Do you have any more suggestions? Diego Lopez says autumn. Very good. October says Adi. Excellent. Adriana says October. Very good, Adriana. November says Diego. Very good. Thanksgiving. Excellent. Thanksgiving on Tuesday, Daniela and Adriana. Let's have a look. Okay, sorry. Here we have the last two. I already gave them to you, so you are right now looking at them. Autumn, Columbus, Thursday, and November. And here is number 8. I think Easter is the best holiday because of the Sunday morning Christ arose. So here are the answers. I'm giving you number 8 so we can move on. Okay, capital I to begin a sentence, Easter. Okay, Sunday, Christ. Here we have our capitalization rules applied on our exercises. Here they are the answers. Very good. Thank you for helping me answering all the questions. Now here, the answer can vary. So here we depend on your opinion. Here is you. Write an exclamatory about your favorite holiday. You have to write your own, okay, your own sentence. I can write one. Let's see, an exclamatory sentence about my favorite verb. What an extraordinary, let's see. Here I can write one. You can write your own. What an extraordinary party is Christmas. Is, no, better Thanksgiving. Is Thanksgiving in the USA? An exclamation mark. This could be my sentence, okay? This is my example of my sentence. This could be my sentence. You can write your own sentence. This can be my sentence, and you can write your own sentence, okay? What an extraordinary party is Thanksgiving in the US. Remember your exclamatory, right? Exclamation mark at the end, or exclamatory sign, or exclamation mark, okay? Here we are. Oh, look what Gabby says, that today is her birthday. Oh, excellent, Gabby. Happy birthday, sweetie. Ay, qué lindo que cumplas años hoy, Gabby. Vamos a ver si nos podemos al final de la clase rapidito cantarte el happy birthday. Okay, let's see if we can do it. But anyway, God bless you, Gabby. Happy birthday, sweetie. Okay, here we are. Number 2, write a declarative sentence about another holiday. Any exclamatory sentence, sweetie. A declarative sentence. For example, you can say, I am going to celebrate Valentine's Day, for example. That is a declarative sentence. Any sentence with any holiday, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Labor Day, any holiday, okay, that you want, you use it on a sentence here. Okay, I gave you number 1, and you're going to write number 2. This is my example for number 1. You can use it, or you can do your own. Okay? Excellent. Here we are. Good. Okay, let's move on. Think D, page 45. Okay, we arrived to our last page. Our last page. Here we have a poem. Very good, Carlos. He said that he already finished. Excellent. Remember that your sentences, you can write your own sentences, okay? You are going to create your own sentences. Or you can use my sentence, but it would be better if you use yours. Okay, here we are, page 45. Very good, Diego. He already finished. Excellent. We have a poem. A poem. The poem is about the month. We are going to read it together, and then we are going to circle each letter in the poem that should be capitalized. Okay, we are going to circle the ones that must be capitalized. Remember the capitalization rule that we read before, that it says that in a poem, you must circle the first word of each line. Remember, that's what it says in our capitalization rule. So let's see, let's read the poem. January, try to read it in your house. Follow my reading, please. Loud. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. January brings the snow, makes our feet and fingers glow. February brings the rain, thaws the frozen lake again. March brings breezes loud and shrill, the steers the dancing daffodil. April brings the primrose sweet, scatters daisies at our feet. May brings flocks of pretty lambs, June is skipping by the fleecy dams. June brings the tulip lilies roses, fills the children's hands with posies. Hot July brings cooling showers, apricots and gilliflowers. August brings the sheaves of corn, then the harvest home is born. Warm September brings the fruit, the sportmen that begin to shoot. Fresh October brings the pheasants, then the gathered nuts is pleasant. Dull November brings the blast, then the leaves are whirling fast. Chill December brings the sleet, blazing fire and Christmas treat. Beautiful poem that talks about how beautiful each month is. Every month has something beautiful. Okay, so we now need to circle all the words that you think should be capitalized. Here, I'm going to give you 1 minute so you can finish. Remember, try to do it on your own and then you check with me the answers. Remember that the capitalization rule says that you must circle the first word, right? You must capitalize the first word of each line. Each line. Okay? So you have 35 seconds left. So we can circle the first word of each line. And then you can check with me if you have the correct answers. Let's try to do it. Which one would you think, do you think must be capitalized from this poem? Remember that the rule says, one more time, that we must capitalize the first word of each line. Okay, so 20 seconds, and then I'm gonna give you the answer. If you already finished circling the capital letters, write down yes. Write down yes, I finished. Adriana says yes, she already finished. Excellent, Adriana, well done. Then you can check with my answers, okay? Finish, very good. Diego Lopez says he finished. Carlos, he finished. Daniela, Ari, yes, okay. Let's check our answers. Here are the correct answer. Very good, Arielito. Here we go. Let's see. Okay. This is the first part of the poem that should be capitalized. According to the rule, we must capitalize the first word of each line. So look, each line, we already capitalized the first word. Okay? Now the second part, we have some words over here in the middle of the poem that also should be capitalized. Let's have a look which ones. Aquí está. Here they are. Look, we have special holidays, Christmas, the month, December, November, October, September, and July. There they are. That's the other part of the poem that should be capitalized. So make sure you circle the correct letter, please. Check on the poem and circle the first line of the first word of each line in the poem, and then we circle these extra 6 words that appear here in the poem. Okay, are we done, sweeties? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's move on. Last exercise, page 45. It says draw a line through each incorrect lowercase letter and write the correct capital letter. Okay, number 1. Help me with number 1. We must capitalize. The first word that we must capitalize is, who can help me here? First word that we must capitalize in number 1 is, are we all here on page 45? Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. First word that we must capitalize in number 1. Who can help me? Excellent, Daniela. The first word is the. But we have here some words that shouldn't be in capital letter. Okay, shouldn't be. Which are those? Let's see, here we have them. The Mayflower Compact was signed on, we also capitalized Saturday, and we also capitalized November. There we go. Okay, we draw a line through each incorrect lowercase letter. This should not be in lowercase. November should not be in lowercase. Let's see number 2. Also, we begin with the, very good, Mia, excellent, Adriana, and our holiday that is 4th of July, also with capital letter. Very good, excellent, Carlos, Adriana. And the last one here, we begin with capital J, Jim asked, and in quotations, we are going to also begin with capital A. Are you ready to go? Very good, Adriana. Jim is the word that we must capitalize because it is the beginning of the sentence. Okay, great job. This was our last exercise on page 45. We did it. We completed our first pages of our language book. Did we already finish? Yes, very good, Carlos. R, Ariel, very good. Should be in capital letters. Here we go. Are you ready? Finished? Yeah, Diego says yes. Very good. Excellent. Well done. Okay, we're done. We already finished. This is just wonderful because we already finished our first language class and we were able to complete our exercises. So thank you very much for all the energy and all your great participation. You did a great job. Very good job. Excellent. Okay, we are going to stop sharing right now. Okay, I'm going to allow you to turn on your microphones. Let's see, let's turn on our microphones. If you have a question or a doubt. Hi, sweeties. No questions? No? No, no, no?
No.
Okay, do you want to sing?
No.
No? Okay, do you want to sing Gabby a happy birthday? Can we sing really fast, Gabby, a happy birthday? Can we sing? ¿Cantamos, chicos? Really fast, a Gabby. Vamos, una, dos, tres. One, two, three. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Gabby. Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday. Dios te bendiga, Gaby. Te amamos. Te amamos mucho. Que el Señor te bendiga. Ok, chicos, los felicito. Fue una preciosa clase de language. Excelente. Participaron súper bien. Great, great job. Okay. So, remember to send me your evidence. Mándeme su evidencia, your photos, okay? If you have a question or any doubt, you can write to me on the chat, okay? Okay, babies. See you next class. Bye-bye, mis amores.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, babies. Love you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, baby. Bye.
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 Pelota.
Bye.
La pelota full.
Bye.
Ay, la pelota full.
La pelota. Okay. Bye, sweetie.
Okay, bye.
Nos vemos en la próxima clase. See you next class. Bye, sweeties.
Adiós.
Bye.
Adiós. 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 Hasta mañana.
See you
Hasta
tomorrow.
mañana,
Yes.
Miss.
See you tomorrow. Bye, mis amores. Bye, bye, bye.